Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to create a QR code. To make a QR code, we are going to open up a browser and go to qrstuff.com. QRstuff is a great website to use because it's free, easy, accessible, and you can make as many QR codes as you want. So now that we are here, you see in step 1, you are choosing which type of QR code you will create. On the left-hand side, it should say website URL, YouTube video, image file, PDF file, Google Maps location, Twitter, Facebook, and so on. In this tutorial, I will show you the 2 different QR codes that we created for our lesson plan and our lesson. The first one was for the Google form. So first, you will choose website URL as the data type, which is located on the left-hand side. Then, we will insert the link to the Google form in step 2. Copy and paste your link and paste it where it says website URL. After you have done this, you can change the color to whatever color you prefer for your QR code. A darker color works better when you are far away from it. Therefore, we're choosing navy or black. After, you simply download the QR code and then drag it onto your desktop. And that's it. Then, your students can share the QR code and it will bring them to the Google form. The second one I am going to show you is when you want to be able to create your own text. For this, we will choose plain text located in the middle of the list on the left-hand side. For our lesson, we use this to make QR codes for the prices of our grocery items. So, we go to plain text in section 1. Then, for our lesson, we use money as the text, so I'm going to put in $2.50. After I do that, the QR code automatically generates. After, you can change the color and then download it and drag it to your desktop, just like we did for the first one. Here, we chose burgundy because it is a dark color as well. Thanks for watching!